Hey Royals, so it is travel vlog day 2. All right, however, I know I don't look no different, but it is indeed day 2. I have not checked into my room yet because, like I told y'all last night, I wasn't paying for an extra night, so I basically was sat in a hotel charging my phone last night, and then I got up and did somewhat of a little exploring this morning. Went out and got breakfast, and now I'm on my way back to the hotel to see if I can do like a little bit earlier check-in. But one of the concierge told me last night that if I did an early check-in, they would have to, they may charge me, that it could be a charge with me doing check-in before 3 o'clock. And then the lady I just called again just to see if I would get the same answer, and she said basically the same thing. I'm gonna see what I gotta do to get around today. But it is hot. Okay? Hot, hot, hot. So here's the hotel I'm staying at. At the West Gate, there's something sexy, double X sexy going on. There's somebody coming doing some stuff. They ain't got nothing to do with me though. But yeah, so this is the hotel I'm staying in. This area is beautiful though, isn't it? All the palm trees and things. And see, I told y'all it's 99 hotels and condos and apartments and suites and construction. So it's a little bit of everything going on all around this joint. Alright, so I'm ready and I changed my clothes. Still didn't check into my room. However, I went ahead and did a quick change, and I'm on my way now to the Palms. Just got off the monorail, which was pretty cool. It tells you like all the stops, there's only 7 stops on there, and it brings me right down here. And my walk is the same amount of time it would have taken me to walk from the Days Inn if I would have stayed there. So it's cool, and plus I get to sightsee. Like, that's the benefit of walking. This little breeze is doing what it can to help out, but it's humid out here. Like, that's it. That's all that is. It's humid. I gotta film like this now because every time I turn my camera to the side, I don't know if it's because it's too bright out here or what, but it was doing the same thing to me when I was at the beach a couple weeks ago. So I don't know why it's doing that. I'm probably gonna have to go to the store or whatever and find out what's going on with it. But I'm super excited to walk and see everything. Like, this is so cool. And y'all see I had to get into cool kind of clothes. Got my skirt on, little tank top, popping with the new lips. So I'm over here by Caesar's Palace, and I keep thinking of The Hangover. I'm gonna show y'all as we go up. Oh, gee, this is so cool. Look, you see the palace? So there's Caesar's Palace. So dope. I'm so hyped. I'm in Vegas. This is so cool. This is such an amazing experience. I can't be mad. Oh my gosh, look at that. You can see the mountains over there. It looks better in person, let me just tell you. Oh, look, 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 look. This is the front of the flamingo. Oh yeah, I'm definitely glad I took this walk. I'm taking this walk rather. Look at the flamingo. You see it with the little feathers and stuff. Oh, this is, oh. Okay, so here's a good shot of Caesar's Palace. Hold on. Right there. Taking pictures at the same time while I'm recording now. Since I can, since I is here, I'm gonna commemorate the event. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, look at the horse. I love this horse. This horse is so beautiful. Ooh, look at this water. Oh my gosh. Finally, got keys to the room. All they had was double beds left. I don't care if it was triple beds. Sofa bed. Doesn't matter what kind of bed. I have the worst headache from walking in that sun. And I'm on the 20th floor. So, finally, I'm going to a room. God is so good. And I am so grateful. I'm going to get in this room. I'm going to pop a couple of these pills and relax. I was going to go hang out with my team, but I'm going to have to hang out with them tomorrow. I'm going to be with them all day anyway. So, yeah. Y'all wouldn't believe how I feel right now. Like, my nose is all stuffy and everything. I don't even know where that came from. Okay. 2019 and 2057. And I'm 2027. I hope I have a nice window view. But y'all, I feel horrible. I hate when I get these headaches. It usually happens, like I get these sun headaches, or I don't know what it's called. But I get a headache from being out in the sun. And I didn't really eat today. I ate breakfast, but that was it. I didn't eat lunch. We had some snacks and water at the, wait, what? Okay, so I went the wrong way. It said 2019 to 2057 though, so I'm confused. Here we are, 2027. It's me. Okay. So please pardon my appearance. Like I said, I'm just not feeling good. But I want to give y'all a tour of this room, because this joint is nice. And I really like it. I'm so glad. It's definitely a step up from the days in. So this is like the little vanity area. So this is super cute. Okay, maybe I should turn the camera around so y'all can see it that way. Hold on. Alright, so I'm taking y'all from the beginning. We enter the room. So this is obviously a door to the room next door, but that doesn't matter because nobody's over there. And if they are, we not with them. So this is a nice little vanity area where I was saying, where I started. So it's a cute little sink and stuff. Got the little toiletries and everything. The little zoom-in mirror. Then we got the bathroom. Pretty simple, basic shower. Nice little marble, whatever. Simple little tub and stuff. Nice little toilet. Cute little marble floors, whatever. Bomb closet. Alright, and it's bomb because it's all mirrors. Oh, this joint real nice. We can step in to the closet. Nice amount of space. Close that. Yes, full body mirror. I'm all for it. Another full body mirror. I'm all for it. Alright, I'm gonna have plenty of those in my crib. Nobody's here for Elvis. I'll tell you that right now. Okay. But yeah, this chandelier is giving me everything. Okay. Bomb, bomb, bomb. And I'm loving these little tufted footstools at the end of the beds. This is so cute. So like I said, they only had the double rooms left for my booking. So I was just like, it's cool, whatever. I'm here for 2 nights. So hey, one night, bed A, you know, night number 2, bed B. And maybe that's just what I'll do. Oh, okay, they got a cute little mini version over here of the chandelier. This is very cute. I think it's really grown and sexy, if you ask me. This is actually somewhat of the theme that I want to have for my bedroom. When I get my place, I want to have this black, red, and gray theme in my bedroom. So this is giving me good vibes, good ideas for sure. And this is a nice, it looks like a very dark chocolate brown drawer set. But I never use the drawers when I go to hotels. Got a little mini fridge right there and some little space right there. Stuff that I ain't touching because they want $3 for that. I don't need that. I'll just give me some ice from the ice machine. That's a nice little picture, whatever, Maryland. And then we got a nice little TV. And then boom. Okay, let's see what this view do though. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, this is gonna look real bomb in the morning. Oh, this is gonna be real cute in the morning. Oh, this is gonna look so much better in the morning. Oh, the sunset tomorrow. Because right now, y'all really getting is a reflection of the room. But this is nice. All right, y'all. So that is going to conclude day 2 of the travel vlog because that was really bad lighting. This headache is giving me no reprieve, like absolutely none. So I'm going to go ahead and take something for this headache. Like I said, I was gonna go hang out with my team, but now that I finally got a room and I ain't have a room, I'm gonna take these pills, relieve this headache, wash my body, and chill. So thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting It's Rossi TV. Make sure you subscribe. You stay here this long. You watch the whole video. Don't you leave this channel without subscribing, okay? And also make sure you like and share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about It's Rossi TV, okay? And you guys leave comments down below about what you like about what I showed you guys so far, some of the pictures that I took earlier, and if you've ever been to Vegas, what is your favorite thing to do here in Vegas? Let me know in the comment section down below. What did you do? What did you see while you were here? And yeah. Oh! Remember, pray, pursue, persist, prosper. Y'all got it.